You see this type of video that is playing right now. I'm going to show you right now in this video how you can create African focus story by yourself for free using free AI tool. So for those of you guys asking me how you can create long videos using free AI tool, don't worry, in this video I'm going to answer your question. In this video I'm going to show you step-by-step method how you can start from beginning to the end, the full tutorial. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because sometimes when you create video and post video like this, some of you guys will not watch the video to the end. You'll forward the video, and at the end of the day you'll be asking me some question in the comment section. I don't want to hear any question in the comment section, so make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to put you through step-by-step method from beginning to the end, how you can get your stories, how you can get your images, how you can create the video, long video, and combine everything together, edit it with CapCut. In fact, this is just a full course you need to watch and get everything done right. In fact, if you watch this video to the end, you are going to thank me later. And without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. So to create that type of video, the first thing you have to do is to go to ChatGPT. Now on ChatGPT, make sure you write on ChatGPT, talk to ChatGPT, write what is in your mind. Don't say you are feeling ashamed or no. Just write what is your mind. Talk to ChatGPT as if you are talking to a friend. So this is what you need to do. First, as you can see, this is what I first did. I said, write an African tree story. Sorry, I said, write an African tree. I wanted to write 3 minutes. So tree story about a woman who became the first woman to rule as a king in a kingdom after the man of the kingdom cannot rule again. Now, I just write to ChatGPT my idea I have on what I want to create. I write this to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT writes everything out for me. As you can see, say the woman who was a king. Now, this is everything ChatGPT writes to me. As you can see, the rise of a king. As you can see, part 2 and part 3, everything. This is it, everything. Now, after ChatGPT write the story for me, now the next thing you have to do after ChatGPT write the story for you is to talk to ChatGPT again. I said, now, I said, I want you to turn it to video script with image prompt for each scene, and also image to video prompt with dialogue, and each scene should be 6 seconds because I am using Grok AI to generate the video to maintain consistency character on the image and video generation. Now, as you guys can see, hope you are following up. As you guys can see, I'm explaining what I want to ChatGPT, because if you not explain it like this, ChatGPT will not understand. So explain how you want your story to be, how you want your video to be. Just explain it from your mind. Don't say you are scared or no, you are scared. No, don't be scared. Just explain what you want. Now, after I give this to ChatGPT, this is what ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, say video script. The woman who become king. Total 9 scene, 54 seconds. Main character, consistency name, Amina of Zubara. Now, as you can see, important consistency tips. Use this same character described in every prompt. So, as you can see, now it's telling me to use this character to put in every prompt that I want to generate the image. Now, you are going to see our scene 1 here, which is 6 seconds. Because why I say 6 seconds? So that ChatGPT is going to understand each image will have its own prompt and also have its own image to video prompt. Now, it gave us our first scene. Now, as you can see, our second scene, our third scene, our fourth scene, every scene has its own thing. Now, I can decide to tell ChatGPT to make it 1 hour video, 3 hours video, 10 hours video. I can decide to tell ChatGPT and it's going to do it. So after you successfully get your prompt like this, you get your script, everything. Now the first thing you are going to do is to generate your images. Now you can use any AI tool to generate your image. Any AI tool of your choice, you can use it to generate your image. Now this is the first thing you have to do. Just copy this image right here. This image, in this prompt, sorry, this first prompt, copy the prompt and you go to your Google Gemini. Go to your Google Gemini. I've talked about Google Gemini before on my previous video. So you go to your Google Gemini and you enter Google Gemini. You can use other AI tool to generate it. You can use other AI tool to generate your image. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use this AI to Google Gemini. And you click on create image like this, and you click on plus icon, and you upload any image, any of your image that has aspect ratio 9.16. Why I upload this image is that to maintain the image ratio, that is how the image stand. That is what I made. You know, this image is in vertical, because if you just paste the prompt just like that, Google Gemini will just generate the image without identifying the aspect ratio. So if you want to upload, if you want to create image, or you want to create the video for your YouTube, make sure you upload image that has YouTube aspect ratio, so that you are going to tell Google Gemini to maintain the image aspect ratio. Now this is what I have to do. I said I want you to use this image aspect ratio, that is 9.16, to create. Then I will now paste the prompt. I just copy right now. To create Amina, a strong woman, African. Then I'll click on generate here. Then after you click on it like this, you just give it some minutes and it's going to generate the image for you. Now this is our second step. Our first step is to generate our prompt, our script. That is our first step using ChatGPT. Now our second step is to generate all the images. After generating the images, that is when we are going to enter our next step. Now as you can see, now it generates the image for us. Now as you can see, it put this mic here because of this mic here. I will tell him to remove the mic. Remove the mic. So why I use the image aspect ratio, I've told you guys, so that the AI will understand, because I want to use this image for my TikTok or for Facebook. That is why I generate it like this. You can decide to use other method, and it will also use your face. If you tell him to use your face, it will use your face. Yes, it will use your face. So you can use this method and generate your image. Now as you can see, it has removed the mic. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on save here, and I'm going to save this image. Now after you successfully save this image, the next thing you are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT again. Now this time all you just need to do is just to copy this prompt here. Copy this prompt. The first scene, as you can see, first scene, you copy the image prompt. After you copy it, you come back to Google Gemini and you paste the prompt. You click on generate. Now when you click on generate, Google Gemini is going to follow the previous aspect ratio and it will generate the image for you. It's going to follow the previous aspect ratio without generating the image wrongly, maybe vertical or no, horizontal or some other aspect ratio. It's going to follow this aspect ratio and generate all your image for you. And all you need to do is to save those images. Now as you can see, this is what I told you. Now as you can see, and it's also maintain the consistency character of Amina. As you can see, this is the Amina. Now when you check this image here and you check this one here, it is almost the same thing. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on save also. Now when you click on save, you go back again, and when you go back, you copy your next image prompt. That is your second one. As you can see, your scene 2. Then you copy this one also. You copy it, then you go back again. After go back, you click on generate, and it will generate your next image. And this is how you are going to do to generate all the images one by one. This is how you are going to do to generate all your images one by one. So after you generate all your images, the next thing you are going to do is to move to the next part, which is you are going to generate your image to videos. So now let's generate this image, and after I generate this image, the next thing I'm going to show you how you are going to generate image to videos using free Grok AI, using free AI to call Grok AI, because I've made videos about it before, but some people think, I don't know, some people will not watch the video. If you make videos, some people will not watch the video. They'll follow the video, they'll be telling you it does not work or something like that. That is because you are not paying attention to videos. You are not paying attention to video tutorials. Make sure you watch every part. Don't forward it. Now let's wait for this result. I just want this result to be complete. So the result is almost complete, and after it's complete, I'm going to show you the next thing you are going to do. So just give it some minute. Let's give it some minute. Now as you can see, this is the result. Now the next thing we are going to click on download also. Now, after we click on download and it's download to our phone, the next thing you are going to do is to go to your browser. Wait, I know you enjoyed this video. Don't worry, I'm going to continue with the video tutorial. But as you are watching this video right now, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Support us by subscribing. And if you are watching this video from Facebook, make sure you also follow this page so that you'll be getting latest videos like this. Now, let's go back to our video. You can use any of your browser. So you go to your browser. I've talked about this AI tool before. As you can see the name here. The name is here. It is called Gemini Gen AI. It is not like the first Google Gemini we use, but this one is Gemini Gen AI. You can check it out. You can go to your browser and check it out. Now, when you come to the AI tool, you click on your you click on videos here. You are going to see select video provider. Now, you can use Google VO3. As you can see, Google VO3. You can use Grok AI. But right now, I'm going to be using Google VO3 to generate my video. As you can see, Google VO3. Now, you can use Grok AI or other AI model. Now, as you can see, it say VO3 fast, free. So don't come and say no, you want to go and generate video and it's asking you to upgrade. It is not free, because when I create videos like this, some people will come to my comment section and be telling me it is not free, they cannot generate videos. No. Now, you click on upload your image, first image here. You click on select and you upload your image. You upload your first image. We are uploading this image because this is our first image scene. Then you upload the image, and after you upload the image, you can decide to add the second image here, so that you are going to maintain the consistency character. Now you add the second image here. This is the second image. You click on done. Now, after you click on done, the next thing is to select your aspect ratio. Then you click on aspect ratio and you leave it at this 720p. So now when you check here, you will see this generation will cost 0 credit. So as you can see, it is 0 credit. Make sure you look it very well, because when you show them video now, you create videos like this. Now some people will come to your comment section, will be telling you they want to go and generate the video, and it's telling them to pay, and you told them it is free. It is free. As you can see, it's here. If you want to generate video and you see it's asking you for credit, that means it's from your site or from your region or from your location. But here it is free, so you can generate videos for free using this AI platform. So if you want to generate video and it did not work for you, that is left for you, because don't come to my channel, don't come to my comment section and be telling me it is not free. So the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate video. Now it will ask you to complete verification below. So you just have to complete this verification and it will start generating your videos. So let's give it some minutes. You click on verify, then you verify that you are human. Now it's generating our video here. As you can see, it's generating our video. Now you can continue generating all your videos one by one. Just follow the method right now. The next thing you are going to do after you generate that scene, you go back to ChatGPT again. ChatGPT, you copy your next image prompt again. This is your next image prompt. You copy it. You go back to Google Gemini again, and you paste it here. You paste it here. Just give it some minutes. Now, as you can see, it has generated our third image. Now, this is the image here. Now, after you generate all your images. Just follow it one by one. You generate all your images. You come to the AI tool to generate all your videos. Also, you delete or you remove all these ones here, and you upload your next video. You upload your next video, your next image here. You upload your third image. Sorry, your next image here. After you upload, you go back to ChatGPT again, and you copy your image to video prompt. As you can see, for the second scene, you copy image to video prompt. After you copy it, you bring it back to this AI tool. You paste your prompt. You replace it with this prompt here. You replace it and you click on paste, and you click on generate again. And it is also going to start generating the second video for you. So this is how you are going to do it. You generate all your images, then you come to this AI tool, you generate all your images to videos again, and after you generate everything following the same method, I cannot be generating it in full, because if I say I should generate everything in full, it will take our time and this video will be so long. Now after you generate everything, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to CapCut, where you'll be adding all the video together, and you edit, then you add transition, and you add transition and you export your videos. I believe most of you know how to do that, but if you don't know how to do it and you want me to help you, or you want me to make video about that, how you can merge all your videos together on CapCut, you let me know in the comment section of this video. Tell me to make that video. Just comment CapCut video editing and I'm going to show you that, or you can just comment, tell me what to do, and I'm going to make video about that. And everything I just teach you right now, if you don't know how to do it or you don't understand and you want me to teach you on one-on-one class so that you are going to explain and understand much better, you can check my bio. You can check my bio. When you check my bio, you are going to see my number there. You can chat me on WhatsApp and I'm going to take you one-on-one class and teach you how you can be doing Africa folktale story for free without paying for any AI tools, which you are going to be posting on your TikTok or your Facebook or your YouTube account. I'm going to teach you one-on-one class. But please note, before you come to my DM, it is not free. You have to pay for it. It is not free. If I'm teaching you one-on-one class, it is not free. So now you guys have seen everything from beginning to the end, the full tutorial about how you can create African stories by yourself using the free AI tool I just show you guys right now. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I will drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.